Reporting live from KGW. Today is Monday. Kids are getting back to school and there is a massive snowstorm. Look at all this snow. I mean, it's insane. It's really powdery and it's gonna snow a lot more. It's not gonna melt. It's gonna stay here for a long time. There's probably gonna be around 15-20 inches in the Portland metro area, and you gotta get warm. You gotta go to the grocery store, stock up on everything, and if you live on a farm, feed your farm animals a lot of food, and the best thing is wear a lot of scarves. Goodbye from Chloe Rusk at KGW.
Wow, I did not know that we were supposed to get that many inches of snow. That's so crazy. I cannot believe that. I mean, what are we going to do? Our cars are going to be buried to the top. De-icers, you got to get them. So yeah, goodbye from KGW.